Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change profile picture on Twitter using your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your Twitter application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Twitter app, click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. And after that guys, click profile. So okay guys, here in your profile, click edit profile. And after that guys, in edit profile, click the profile picture or circle on your profile picture. So okay guys, the pop-up will show and you can choose the take photo or choose existing photo. So okay guys, I choose my existing photo. Okay guys, to attach media, we need to access to your gallery. So okay, click continue. And the pop-up will show is allow Twitter to access photo, media, and files on your device. Click allow. Okay guys, choose the photo you want to make a profile picture in your Twitter account. So okay, I choose one of my photo here. And after you choose your photo, so drag your photo to center of the circle. So okay guys, after that, so click use on the upper right side on your screen. And after that guys, you all have to do to save your profile picture is click the save on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, successfully change the profile picture on your Twitter account. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.